Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be singing Gangsta's Paradise, but not the Coolio one, the Postmodern Jukebox one. And it's a song I really enjoy. I love this song. But I've got a bit of a cough, so my voice sounds weird, that's why. Hope you enjoy. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing for so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man who didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know it's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies not been lying in control. And I really hate to trip, but I gotta know. As they croak, I see myself in a crystal smoke. I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying present in street lights. Been spending most of our lives living in that gangster's paradise. Been spending most of our lives living in that gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life, I was raised by the street, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a dream in my eye. I'm a low-tout gangster, sad tripping banker, and my homies are down, so don't arouse my anger. Death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die, what else can I say? I'm 22 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me why are we so blind to see like the ones we hate are you and me? So power in the money, money in the power, minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's running and half of running, looking what's going on in the kitchen, but I don't know what's cooking. They say I gotta learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If I can understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can, I guess they won't, unless they front, and that's why my life is out of love. Been spending most of my life living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Thanks for watching. That's personally one of my favourite songs, but see you next time.